नमस्ते अहिले अब हामी एटिभी सकेर भर्खर शावर लिएर अनि तयार भएको छु अनि त्यसपछि हामी उबुदमा आज बेलुकाको डिनर हामी पाँचजना त्यहाँ गएर डिनर मजाले खाने हाम्रो प्लान छ यो चाहिँ हाम्रो एन्ट्रेन्स हो एन्ट्रेन्स चाहिँ मजाको रहेछ एन्ट्रेन्स चाहिँ अब तपाईँलाई यो पहिलाको मुभीको एक्टरहरू फुलबाट निस्केको जस्तै हामी चाहिँ अहिले यो करेन्ट भन्ने ठाउँमा आएको छु अनि यता चाहिँ ह्याप्पी आवर पनि रहेछ अनि सोसल क्लब हो है साइडमा जस्तो रहेछ अहिले हामीले मेन्यु त हेरेको छैन तर मेन्यु चाहिँ यहाँ रहेछ मेरो विचारमा मजाको स्पेसल टुडे चिकन ब्ल्याक पेपर 60 वाउ मजाले बसेछ
Yeah, for now. Get check to check what is it.
So हामीले चाहिँ अहिले हामीले चाहिँ अहिले त्यो ड्रिङ्क्स र अनि स्न्याक्स अर्डर गर्यो अनि म र उसले चाहिँ ककटेल दुईटा अनि मकटेल दुईटा खेल्नुले चाहिँ के अर्डर गर्यो डिटक्स स्मुदी अहिले हाम्रो ड्रिङ्क्स आयो भने देखाउँछु अनि त्यसपछि हाम्रो स्न्याक्स आयो भने देखाउँछु ल मङ्की टेम्पल ग्रिन टी मोहितो
So, is it buy one or get one or is it
Buy one get one free for the monkey warrior and then
that's my drink. I want jamu with you.
You ready to order for the food?
We ordered the appetizers.
Okay,
I already ordered. Should we do main now, but you can bring it like after the appetizers?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I will take the tape first.
Okay.
Cheers, cheers.
Nice.
detox?
Okay.
Try sunflower.
Look, get up, cheers. Cheers.
Beautiful. Cheers. One.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Okay, let me try.
Oh, that's good. Oh, good. I dropped my menu. This is good too.
So pretty.
Yeah. This is sweet, not tart.
You would think it's tart with
Yeah, I
lemon.
like lemonade, but it's like sweet lemonade.
Oh, very sweet.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah.
I like that one more.
Yours is. What did I do wrong?
कस्तो रहेछ यसको टेस्ट चाहिँ
Yeah, maybe.
It's still good.
Yeah, it's
I'll
good.
get that one next.
सिनामन अलिकति भएको टेस्ट चाहिँ मलाई अलिकति कस्तो कस्तो लाग्यो अझै अलि राम्ररी खाएर भन्नुपर्ने रहेछ यो दालचिनीले गर्दा चाहिँ कस्तो कस्तो रहेछ टेस्ट
Oh, the straw is
Yeah,
cinnamon.
cinnamon, yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Cool. So you taste the cinnamon
Yeah,
a lot?
cinnamon. It's a strange taste.
It's massive.
I don't know what.
I'd much rather drink from here.
You're the only one using it right. That one is
No thanks. Mine's better.
I was debating that.
Yeah.
Try mine.
Mine was better.
pure milk.
चिनी रहेछ त्यसमा चाहिँ टेस्ट मिठो रहेछ
What is the alcohol?
Mint and because got it mojito
Green tea mojito.
with green tea mojito.
So it's not that strong. Like,
Yeah.
oh, that's nice.
Have you decided?
Yep. मेरो चाहिँ खाना कस्तो हो मलाई खाना ड्रिङ्क्स चाहिँ अलिकति अचम्म होला है मलाई
You go ahead.
सिनामनको टेस्ट बढिरहेछ त्यो जामु भनेपछि त्यो मलाई थाहै भएन खोइ ट्राई गरिदिन्छु कस्तो हुन्छ है एकछिनमा हाम्रो चाहिँ के हो यता खानामा टाको र अनि यता चाहिँ के हो यो के हो
Mediterranean
platter hummus, chickpea, falafel, pita bread, and over here we have chicken, beef, pork, taco with some fries and some sauce, dipping sauce.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, एउटा pita bread लियो मिक्स गर्यो अलिकति यता यो अलिकति मिक्स oops sorry
Spread this on.
अनि अलिकति chickpea हाल्यो
So tiny.
Yeah.
Squeeze it.
टेस्ट गर्दैछु कसो
Put like 4-5.
Which one?
It's actually really good.
Not very much though.
Yeah, I would think there will be.
मिठो रहेछ अलिकति तन्दुरीको भाषा जस्तै त यो त मिडल इस्टको खाना हो त्यसमा चाहिँ अब तपाईँले हेल्दी फुड यिनीहरू चाहिँ भेजिटेरियन अप्सन है भेजिटेरियनको लागि एकदम राम्रो यो पछि चाहिँ म त्यो टाको एउटा खान्छु मजाले अब चाउले हामीलाई स्पेसल टाको This is special taco with
Me and him like
all
go
sort
cut it in half.
of sauce, guacamole,
We'll roll it.
and then what else? What's in there, babe?
What else do you want? That's it.
Okay. So this has everything in it, right?
Yeah.
All the meats, all the sauce.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's my part, and I'm gonna try.
You can hear me inside.
It's really good.
Hey.
The cat too. Hey, Bali. What happened to your face? 미쳐 있어. तो यो खाना चाहिँ अलि टुरिस्टहरूको लागि मात्र छैन खुर्सानी मसला धेरै नभएको लाइट स्पाइसेस हैन मिठो रहेछ मिठो त मजाले खाएर तपाईँ भोलि पनि टेन्सन नलिए हुने रहेछ
These are well made.
म यो ड्रिङ्क्समा मैले सिरप मिक्स गरेँ नि त अहिले मिठो भयो
Yeah.
Justine got a steak with fries and some veggie and some sauce.
Yeah.
No, I know.
Looks really good.
Trying to like
We both got the
similar
exact same.
stuff, exactly same.
so
Fries and some like sauce, mayo, ketchup, some veggie, puree, and the steak itself is medium.
Why's your meat bigger?
yeah, mine looks bigger. Yeah.
Burger.
Burger, what burger?
Okay, stick burger. Papa Rojo.
Oh, I think there's bacon in it.
Not bacon. Caramelized onion.
salad.
Oh, you bacon.
So
Looks good.
This one is bigger size.
Bigger than my steak.
Whoa. Okay, here comes my pork belly
The presentation
with
is
some
like
pepper on the top, bok choy. What else is there? What seed? Sesame seed, right?
seeds,
And some
Baby
red
carrots.
grape, baby carrot.
cherry tomatoes.
Okay, oh, looks really good. And
I think
there's
yours
the
is
rice
gonna
in
be
the
the best
bottom.
one.
So it looks like
It's
a
probably gonna look-
sushi
yeah, it's
rice.
probably gonna look really nice.
Oh, let me see. Looks really good though. Please, ooh. What is it? What is it?
Shrimp.
Oh, shrimp, eh?
Corn.
butter, chili,
Corn.
garlic, shrimp.
Everything looks good, right?
Okay.
Okay, let's dig it.
Bon appetit, guys.
Overcooked it.
मेरो खाना चाहिँ आयो मेरो खाना चाहिँ यो हो पोर्क बेली भात अनि माथि अलिकति पेपर रहेछ अनि बोक चोय चिप्स एन्ड टमेटो म आजको यो खाना खान्छु अनि त्यो पछि हाम्रो आजको दिन यति नै हो अनि तपाईँहरू मेरो भ्लग हेरेकोमा धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई टेस्ट गर्छु है
You wanna try mine first?
Huh? Oh yeah.
How many?
Oh, it's the sushi rice, eh? We stand back. You guys want to try? Oh, keep trying your money.